In this video, we're going to show you just how easy it is to email a report using CustomBooks. Once you've got your report or report package formatted the way you want, sending it out is as simple as clicking a button. Just hit the Send button, choose the format you'd like to send it in, and click Continue. Next, click the green plus sign to add your recipients. You can even choose which account the email is sent from using this handy drop-down menu. Type out your message. The report will be attached automatically, then click the yellow Send button at the bottom of the page. After you've sent the email, you can track everything in the email log. Just head over to the portal and click the email log link to see all the emails that have been sent. If you need to narrow it down, you can filter by date range. Here you'll see the email we just sent. Click the green plus sign, and you'll get a detailed timestamp showing when the email was delivered. If it wasn't delivered, you'll even see the reason why. And that's it. CustomBooks makes it easy to manage and track your reports, saving you time by keeping all your communications in one place.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.